What's up, YouTube? This is Richard Skeletor, and today we're going to be talking about how to manifest big money with the law of assumption. Alright guys, so let's get into it real quick. To manifest big money, you're going to have to envelop the state of big money. You're going to have to say things to yourself that money is on its way to me. Big money, it's on its way to me. I got big money in my life. Big money is on its way to me. Today is a great day for big money to come to me. So if you try to loop these affirmations in your mind, you start to do them on a daily basis. Means you got to do it like consistently, okay? But then you got to let it go. So sometimes you're going to have doubts. Now when doubts come into your mind, you're going to have to say, I trust that money's on its way, and it's done. As soon as you come into that state, you got to come back into that state because the doubts will come up. You will come to a point in your life where you're going through your lives, something's expensive, something happens with money. It has to be, the subject will be around money. It'll be a bill maybe you had to pay, maybe you need the money right now and you don't have it. There'll be some type of energetic block. And when that block comes up, say, I got the money's on its way, it's here now. You got to say something like that, affirmation like that. That little short phrase will get you back into that state because you have to catch it early before you go down that negative path. Okay, so before you go down that negative path, you have to say a very short statement that it's done. The money's here. I got this. I trust money's on its way to me. Something like that right away. So when you go into the different states or the different patterns, because you're assuming throughout your day, let's say you're visualizing or doing one of these affirmations that I suggested, that the money will come. Okay, but as soon as you're in that state and then you go through your day and something comes at you and then you're going to come out of that state, you're going to have to go right back in to the state that it's done, that it's here, I got this. And by doing that on a consistent basis, the whole point of all these strategies is to do stuff on a consistent basis and to maintain that state. Because when you have negative emotions or negative thoughts that start to take you down, it will take you down to a negative spiral, and then it's like you're trying to get somewhere. Let's say I'll give you an example. You're on a train, okay? This train is traveling, let's say you're going from Los Angeles to New York. Okay, you get momentum going. Okay, that train is going. You have this positive affirmations that you're saying to yourself. Okay, you're saying these things over and over again, and then all of a sudden something comes up on the track and it takes you down and it takes you right back, right back to Los Angeles. You can't even get to New York because you're not maintaining that state. The whole point of this is to maintain that state, and then you will get to your destination. You will get to New York from Los Angeles. So it's just very important that you do this. I can't emphasize this enough that you have to maintain the state. Okay, so when you're assuming that you already got it, it's yours. I mean, nobody can take it away. The only thing that can take away is this negative thought, the things that you react to in life. Okay, so number one, the first thing you got to do is you got to get into the habit of saying the affirmations, some of the ones that I suggested, visualizing, and then when the negative emotion comes up, you're going to feel it in your body and say, it's done, I got this, the money's here, it's on its way to me, it's done, it's a done deal, it's mine. Okay, those are some short phrases that you could use. So try some of these short phrases in your life on how to manifest money in a quick way. Okay, this is how to get big money. This can work for anything, but on this subject, we're talking about big money today, guys. So let me know what you think in the comments below. Let me know if you've tried any of these techniques, if you've tried these little short phrases when this negative emotion comes up to try to stop yourself from going down this negative spiral. And really let me know what you think in the comments below, guys. All right, take care. Have a good day. Bye.